Getting started with Shopify. Now I'll teach you on how to get started with Shopify in just a few simple steps, and also brief you on some packages that Shopify offers. Choosing the plan that best suits your business is very important. You don't want to mess up your business with the wrong choice of Shopify's business plan. After you have entered the details to create your store, you'll see that there are a wide range of plans for you to choose from, which are Lite, $9 per month, Basic, $29 per month, Professional, $79 per month, Unlimited, $179 per month. Shopify Plus starts at $995 per month. If you're uncertain about your business, I'd suggest you choose the Basic plan for testing purposes. The Lite plan doesn't include many features. It only allows you to sell your product through social media pages, which means you'll not have your own online store on Shopify. And of course, the higher the price of the plans, the more features you get. The picture above shows the plans and features for you according to the price given. If you're not really certain, feel free to choose the starter plan, which costs you only $14 per month.